everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Dikan, and I film videos like this one. Please make sure that you're subscribed and that your notification bell is turned on for whenever I post a video. And hey, my returning subscriber, how are you doing, queen and king as well? Thank you so much for tuning back in today. Always excited to have you. So without further ado, in today's video I'm going to be sharing 10 ways to make your skin look 10 times younger. So looking younger is a desire for women. As we know, in time past, women have always been looking for ways to keep their youth, keep looking beautiful, keep looking younger and all of that. So as much as aging is a very beautiful process, it's part of life, it's something that we cannot escape. Of course, we want to slow down the process because we're not in a hurry to get old here. Now in this video today, I'm sharing 10 tips on how to make your skin look 10 times younger. Now don't quote my words because each of us have different experiences as humans. The tips that I'm sharing today does not in any way mean that you will not age. This is just a way of slowing down, aging, and whatever the case may be, we need to know that we're different people, so these tips are going to work differently for different people, so put that in mind. But yeah, this is not an automatic way to remain young forever, so please don't come and drag me, okay? I'm just sharing what I can share with you as of now to help with your aging process, and of course to keep you looking younger and glowing, because that's what we're going to be doing here. So the first thing that I want to share today for keeping your skin looking younger is keeping your skin cells hydrated. What do I mean by that? That would mean that you're using products that hydrate your skin. That would mean that you're taking in your hydration as well, meaning that you're drinking enough water, to carry you through the day. I've spoken on dehydration a couple times on this channel. It is so important that we drink water because it helps with the health of our skin. And when it comes to hydrating our skin topically, you want to involve or include or indulge ingredients like hyaluronic acid greatly, because it helps in plumping your skin and just making you look a lot more firm, and also using ingredients like snail mucin. I mean, all these humectants that are great in keeping your skin hydrated. Honey as well is a great humectant for the skin. Aloe vera is a great humectant for the skin. So in your attempts to look younger, make sure you go for products that contain these hydrating ingredients that I have just mentioned. Say for instance, if your skin is dry and not moisturized or hydrated, you somehow look a bit chappy, a bit, out of place, your skin is looking dull. But once you add hydration into your skin with a product like the Crosstrex, I don't know if that's what it's called, Snail Mucin Essence, that, is viral right now. Once you add that type of product to your skincare regimen, you see how your skin picks up almost instantly. It's looking vibrant, it's giving, glass skin. Once you add hydration back into your skin looks a lot more tended to, which helps, or which in return makes you look a lot younger. So yeah, you want to focus on hydrating your skin. For hydration, you can use different categories of products. You could use serums, you could use toners. I mean, just add all the hydration back into your skin because it will really help in keeping you looking supple and youthful. Next tip is using skin firming ingredients like peptides and retinol. Now, why you are using peptides and retinol is because you're trying to help the collagen production on your skin. So you're trying to stimulate the surface of your skin, because as we grow, our skin tends to lose its elasticity. As you can see, or as when we were babies, our skin just had this softness and luster to it. We had this very smooth, beautiful skin. But as we age, because our skin is losing that elasticity, we tend to lose the collagen on our skin, or we lose the collagen on our skin. Is a natural process that you cannot stop. So the only thing that you can do in this process now is to introduce ingredients like peptides, which are rich in adding, stimulating the surface of your skin to just help you get that firmness back into your skin. Because once your skin is losing that elasticity, what happens is that you begin to have this fine line and wrinkles on your skin, which can then look like you're aging. So what you want to do is use ingredients that attack those fine line and wrinkles on the skin, or help you slow down the process of getting fine line and wrinkles on your face. Now for the next tip is using cell renewing ingredients like AHAs, BHAs and PHAs. These are your chemical exfoliants. You want to hasten the cell turnover on your skin just so that your skin will look a lot more vibrant. If you're not exfoliating, if you are not taking away that dead skin cells, your skin is going to age a lot faster. You're going to get fine line and wrinkles. This is all part of the process. So getting into the habit of exfoliation can greatly help with making your skin look a lot younger younger. If you are not doing that and then you start including it in your routine, you would see the difference in like a month or two. You will see how your skin will be looking. I mean, the way my skin looks right now is not the way it used to look. There was a time, if I put my picture, you guys would even be shocked. But sometimes when I look back at those pictures, I feel like I looked older than I do right now. And this would, what has greatly helped me with this has been my skincare regimen, my beauty regimen, and now I look a lot more like myself, like what I'm supposed to be looking like. So yeah, if you're not taking care of yourself, you might be aging faster than you're supposed to too. Now for the next tip, use antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E. I mean, products or ingredients in that category. Why? Because they are great. They protect your skin against free radicals. They are antioxidants, meaning that they protect your skin from oxidative stress and all of those environmental things that, you know, comes to steal our joy from our skin. So yeah, including vitamin C in your regimen would greatly help with the health of your skin and help you look a lot more younger. Once you use vitamin C, it brightens up your skin. So once your skin is brighter, you look younger. That is why I keep on talking about skin brightening, skin brightening, skin brightening. I know what I'm saying when I talk about skin brightening. Once your skin is tall, it looks like you're taking the back seat. So it looks like you're, you know, aging faster. But once your skin is vibrant, I mean, it comes with the glow and everything, and then you just look a lot younger. So yeah, definitely get into the habit of using antioxidant for your skin. It will go a long, great way in helping you look a lot younger. Now for the next tip, make sure that you get enough sleep. If you're not sleeping well, it's going to tell on you, it's going to tell on your skin, it's going to tell on your mood as well. So these are the things, these are the stress, goes a long way in helping you maintain beauty. You might not get this, but take for instance, you're a workaholic, you don't sleep well at night and all of that. Give yourself like a month of proper sleep routine, and then you will see the difference in your beauty. You'll be glowing. I mean, so yeah, it goes without saying, please get enough sleep. If you're not sleeping enough, rest well when you're supposed to. Avoid and cut out stress that you're not supposed to. Anyways, that takes me to the next point, which is reduce stress and inflammation on your skin. Reduce stress in your life and reduce inflammation on your skin. Now, reducing inflammation is using an ingredient that is rich, like something like argan oil. Now, reduce stress, because if you're stressed, it's going to tell on your skin. That happens to me a lot. If I'm out there hustling and bustling and all of that, and if I get back by the end of the day, it tells on my skin. I see all these tiny pimples on my skin, and it makes me so displeased. Like, I don't like it. So what would I do in that type of situation is to get enough rest. So one thing that I do as a person is that I stay away from stress as much as possible. If it is not necessary stress, especially when it has to do with work, you know, we're always trying to make money. So you might find yourself going through a lot of stress to, you know, get that back. But as much as you can, if you can cut down on stress, if you're doing things that are unnecessary that is stressing your life, please reduce it, because it is going to tell on your beauty. So I know this might not seem like part of skincare, but general wellness, please take yourself out of toxic situations like relationships, friendships, and anything that just stresses you. Notice that, and this is not to take jabs at anyone, but notice that women that go through a lot of stress, especially in relationships and all of that, it tells on them, you know, it tells on their beauty, it tells on their physical appearance. They tend to age a lot faster. So that tells us something. That tells us that stress is, you know, comes hand in hand with aging, and you don't want to do that to yourself. So please stay away from stress as much as possible. Now for the next tip I want to share is making sure that you don't sleep with makeup on. That is such a terrible habit. Please, if you're doing it, discontinue now. Please, if you want to sleep with your makeup on, I pray that as you're sleeping, you see me looking at you like this. Why did I do that? But anyways, I hope I scare you actually to get up and actually go and clean your makeup, because it's so toxic for the skin. It's so horrible. You want to make sure that you clean your makeup, because first of all, makeup is already on your skin. That means your pores are clogged and all of that, or your pores are covered, and then you're sleeping with it again. What happens is that your pores are now permanently locked until you wake up. Right? And when we are sleeping is when our skin gets the time to actually regenerate itself. It gets enough time because now our body is in rest mode. So if you have makeup on, what do you think is going on your skin? It's such a toxic situation. Please clean your makeup properly and use the double cleansing method. Use your oil cleanser or your balm cleanser, and then go on ahead to clean with, you know, your gel wash and all of that. But all I'm saying is please make sure that you clean your makeup properly before you go to sleep, because these are the toxic things that could be making you age, but then again you're not paying attention to it. It's not good. Please get out of that habit of sleeping with makeup if you are. But you know what, I trust my people on this channel. You can't be watching me and you're sleeping with makeup on. You're doing something wrong. And such people, I know, I trust God that such people are not watching this channel, and even if they are changing now. Now this takes me to the next point. If you want your skin glowing and looking good, it starts with the cleansing process. If you want to maintain the longevity of the elasticity on your skin, right, but you get what I mean. If you want to maintain your skin, if you want to maintain beauty, it starts with the cleansing process. Cleansing is so important. Get into your skin and clean your skin properly. You don't just do that rush. I've spoken to you guys so much about that on this channel, but yeah, this is another way to keep your skin looking younger, because if you're not cleaning properly, that would mean that you're introducing your next skincare steps on dirty skin or on not so clean skin. So get into the habit of cleaning your skin properly. And when I mean your skin, I'm not just talking face, I'm talking face and body. Don't be part of those that don't use a washcloth or a sponge or something, because you can't really be clean. Your body can't really be clean if you're not using a washcloth, a sponge or something, except you're allergic to it. But even if you're allergic to it, please find something else that works. One that I really love to use for my body is the glove, the exfoliating glove. I use it every day on my skin, because I usually would use like gentle washes on my skin, but anytime I'm using like an exfoliating cleansing gel for my body or something, I would use like a loafer, like a softer loafer or puffy sponge, something like that. But you get what I mean. But then I'm just going to put them on the screen so you see what I'm talking about. But yeah, make sure that you get into the habit of cleansing your skin properly, because it goes a long way in maintaining the health of your skin and keeping you looking younger. Now to the last thing that I want to mention today, and you guys know Dikan already, so you saw this coming, so repeat after me. Use sunscreen. You cannot shy away from using sunscreen if you're trying to keep your skin looking younger, because what ages us the most is actually the effect of the sun. So if you're out there hustling and bustling again without your sunscreen, then you're definitely doing something wrong. And even if you're using sunscreen, if you're not reapplying your sunscreen, you are still doing something wrong. You're supposed to be reapplying your sunscreen every 2 hours. I mean, most of us, we get lazy, but we get the job done. Yeah, it is important to use your sunscreen because it will help. I mean, after cleansing your skin, even if you don't even use other skincare products, please make sure that you use sunscreen. It's one of the most important skincare products. It's actually the second most important step. That would be after cleansing. So please get into the habit of using sunscreen. Guys, I need to get out of the habit of talking so fast on YouTube. Moving to the next bonus point, which is one of the most important points, and that would be smiling. You might ask me, what are you talking about? Why do I need to smile more? Because I'm trying to look younger. That is because once you have a vibrant smile on your face, you just look a lot more vibrant. You just look a lot more younger. I mean, and also facial movements stimulate the muscles on your face. So if you're smiling more, you're stimulating your, I would say, facial happy muscles. And if you're frowning your face, you're also stimulating muscles that would want to keep your face that way, or that makes your face relax in that way. So let your relaxed state be like a more smiley state, which is something that I'm also personally learning, and I'm so grateful for it. Just smile more, be more graceful. You're going to look a lot more vibrant and graceful and younger. So yeah, that is the bonus tip that I wanted to share. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any questions for me, please drop them in the comment section, or if you just want me to know that you were here today, please drop some love hearts in the comment section for me, and I'll do well to reply. As usual, I wish you guys a beautiful, luscious and perfect skin, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.